Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see how to display histogram for an image. But as I told, we will convert to grayscale image. Here also, we are going to do the same process. The color image I am going to convert to grayscale, and then I am going to display the histogram. Yeah, from now onwards, I am not always opening the Scilab from starting because from the starting videos you can see what is the procedure. So now I am directly explaining the code from this step, and now initially we are going to read the image. I am read plan.jpg. Yeah, semicolon. Now I am going to declare subplots. Subplot as three plots are enough. I am taking a 2 by 2 at position 1. Title as original image and display it. I am show of A. Now for converting RGB to gray, we are using the function directly RGB to gray. Not only for converting grayscale, for converting from RGB to any format, except for black and white, we will use the same function RGB to. So the with to which model you want to convert, followed by that name of A, semicolon. Yeah, now again for displaying this one in the subplot 2 grayscale image, displaying the grayscale image. And now, how to convert, uh, how to plot the histogram by making use of this grayscale image. You need to consider like a list where you will consider count and cells. The reason, what do you mean by cells here is, first you need to understand the difference between the bar graph and histogram. In bar graph, only one will do one value with respect to other value. But in case of histogram, we will consider a group of bin values. Nothing but for a single x value, there will be multiple bins. So such cases are known as histogram. So how we are going to get histogram for our image? Now we are going to see. For getting histogram, you are going to use the function called imhist, and in this you are going to pass your grayscale image variable, nothing but G. Now same process. Subplot you are going to do, and one more thing is that for since it is related to plotting, you are not going to use imshow function at all here. And here I am mentioning the title as histogram. Here is not an image, guys. It's a plotting. Remember that one. That's the reason we are going to use a function which is related to plotting. Let me give title as histogram. Yeah. For plotting, we know for simple plottings we use plot. But here we are doing plot 2D tree, which is used to print the histogram. GNN is the first parameter, and in the second parameter, I am going to pass cells followed by count. Yeah, now you can see you will get the output. Let me save it as histogram hist.sce. Save. Yeah, already file is existing. Then also click yes. There will be not an issue. Execute, save and execute. Clearing console. Yeah, here you can see that you have plotted the histogram. Don't use I am show of anything because histogram is related to plotting, not an image. Don't make that blunder mistake because during examinations, many members think that we are performing on images, and here instead of writing plot 2D3, most of the people write directly I am show. But this is the plotting, not an image. This is how we display an histogram. And in the next lecture, we are going to see. Uh, about how to keep the noises and different masks to an image. And in this lecture, it is concluded up to histogram plotting. And again, we are going to see histograms in the last lecture, because there again, based on histogram, we are going to do morphology and those all. So, with this lecture is concluded. Thank you.